Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are a mom, you know that you want things that are multi-purpose, so it's worth the investment and it's less stuff you have to have. So this beautiful scarf is not just a scarf. It also is a nursing cover. So when you're out in public and you need to nurse, this thing is a perfect cover, and it covers all the way around your back so that everything is covered. It also can fit over an infant car seat to protect your baby. It also, when you're at a restaurant, can fit over a high chair. So when your little one's a little older and they're sitting at a high chair, this will protect them from all of the places where all the other kids have put their germy little hands. And when you're out shopping, you can put this over the shopping cart, and it protects your kids from all the germs of where everyone else has put their hands as well. It is super easy to use because it's just the one hole, you put it on, and it is super stretchy. It stretches even over a 2-kid cart. So easy to use. The price point is cheaper than any of those things by themselves, and you get all of those with one. And the bonus is it's so pretty. So go ahead and order it. You will use this thing often, but that's just my point of view.